look at the car. We are gonna do two things tonight. We're gonna work on finishing up the radiator hose work. We got our radiator hose parts. We might have to go get a couple more things. I'd love to have a sensor. I'll make a run, and then we're gonna keep going on sanding, and we're gonna get this thing, the paint off on all panels. The rest of our fluid is hiding in this hose. Fill it from here because it's the highest one. Oh. See what I can do here. Get some of that out there. If it would run with the intake off, it would be better, but I don't know that it will, so it's fine. All right. Look at that. Just happy, dude. Porsche, German engineering. You can just feel it, dude. Trying to figure out where the misfire is coming from because we just developed the mist like the last couple of days when we were messing around. So I start pulling these boys when it's running. This one right here is dead. Doesn't do nothing. For how it runs, so it tells you. But as I was doing it, I grabbed the middle one by accident. As I pulled that one up, I just took a full shot. So it's fine, but it wasn't fun. I wouldn't recommend doing it twice. So I'm gonna pull this spark plug. We're gonna look at how bad it is. We have 4 new plugs. I'll eventually do all 4. I'm just gonna see if this is the solve for our issue to start. So it is cylinder number 1 that we have a misfire on. So old school metal plugs. They're pretty high quality, honestly. Those are sweet. On the third, well, technically the final spark plug, we're pulling and putting. They all look pretty gnarly black. So it's been running rich for a long time. Check this out. A little more sooty black, but still super black. So these are worth changing. So you should just start now. I have to go get a couple more things. I'd love to have a sensor. I'll make a run, and then we're gonna keep going on sanding, and we're gonna get this thing, the paint off on all panels.
Well, Jake was off dinking around. We got passenger door done. Got rear right quarter. Gonna hit the back hatch area again, and then roof. And then I might take a swing at the new hood we just got as well. But we're getting somewhere. Feels a little bit better, but still got a ways to go. After how many hours do you think we've been out here? Yellow delete, dude? About to happen. It's like a truck.
We spent the evening sanding her down. Got the coolant hoses replaced. Bled it with just water for now until we get some the thermostat stuff in the sensor. Then we'll have to do one more time with coolant. And so we did spark plugs. We got 4 new spark plugs. Car is running and sounding great. And we just did like a 20-minute test drive. Brought the kids with. Don't tell anybody, and we had a good time. Cars ripping. We're gonna play with the timing because I think we can get a little more power out of it. It's just probably not quite right on the timing. But like, check this out, dude. Spark plugs, 4 spark plugs later, and a little tweaking. Told you guys, it's fine, dude. It's running great. Come on.
Okay, so next we gotta finish sanding, right? So there's a level of we did a good first run.
We think we need to take some of the black down to the blue still and really get down to that final stuff. Can you guys believe there's like no Bondo? Like, we haven't found any Bondo. That's so wild. So, like, it's a pretty straight body. Dude, Porsche, OG Volkswagen, so solid.
But so we're gonna sand more, and then we'll bump up the grit, right, and get it a little smoother.
Yeah, like you can feel here, it's still rough.
And then at that point, we're gonna have Ian, a buddy, help us kind of do some official prepping, right?
Yeah. So the final prep he said is like this sanding straight block to get the, I guess, to get the car to sort of run right, so when you paint it, it doesn't look swirly or whatever. So that's, I don't know what we're doing with painting, but that's what we have left to do. And you saw maybe the hatch. We got a hood we're working on. And then the final, once we're done painting, have Safelight come put a windshield in.
And we gotta touch this up too yet, so that's on the list. We haven't skipped that.
So, question for everybody as we're getting towards that point, what color should we do the car? Should it be original blue? Should it be cool? Should it be like an OG Porsche color? You guys are gonna have to tell us. Top comments, we'll consider it. It's not a democracy, but we'll consider it. So, headlights, decent out. Catch you on the flip side. Here you go.